guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you how to play Why by Dominic Fike, and this is a very quick tutorial on the song. So we have the capo on the second fret, so make sure to put the capo on your second fret of the guitar. Now I've covered many songs from his new album and will be covering more, so make sure to have a check on my channel. And yeah, drop me a comment down below if you just want to learn any other song by Dominic Fike. And also subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And obviously you can check out my channel. I got the most freshest songs recently released, done with tabs and all, and most accurate arrangement. With no other talk, let's proceed further. Capo second fret, just have a look at the chord shapes firstly, though the progression of the chords throughout the whole song is same. First chord is an E, which is 0 2 2 1 0 0. The next chord is the A major, which is mute open, second open. Then we have is actually a diminished chord, which I played over here like this, which basically it may be hard for some of you guys. So you have your thumb on the E string third fret, and with your thumb you got the A string muted. You put your index on the third fret of the D string, your ring finger on the fourth fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the third fret of the B string. And again, with your index finger, you got the high E string muted. So it sounds something like this when you strum the chord. Now B major, which is basically mute, second 4 4 4. You can play it like this, a lot easy way, even like this. So this one is a bit stretchy, or like this. How you want, you can just play the chord. Never mind, the chord progression will be a E major, then A major, then a diminished. So play the diminished chord like this, and then a B. So for the first part of the song, I just like to do one down on each chord. So 1 2 3 4, A major, 2 3 4. You go to the diminished chord, 2 3. If you can just pluck. Right now I don't have any plectrum, so we got 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 diminished, 3 4 1 2 to B major, 4. What you can do is, when you just move in the middle of the song to build up with dynamics, you can just do 4 downstroke on each chord. So it will be 1 2 3 4. 4 down, down equal to down, 4 downs the same, so don't need to worry about. So we got 4 downstroke. We're just gonna do that on this same chord progression. So it will be E major, A, then a diminished, and then a, so let's play 1 2 3 4. Any other ways you can want. I see many of the guys playing like this, with the pinky as a bar, but the correct way to actually play the bar chord is with your ring finger. But as a guitar, you can do anything you want, but it sounds better. So I thought, like, I was just practicing with my pinky. I was not able to stretch it so much. Some of the guys, I see that they are not able to stretch their ring finger, and some are not able to stretch their pinky, or like bend the pinky. So I was that guy who was not able to bend the pinky, but after practicing, though I know it's the wrong method, but still, why not? When other can do it, you have to do it. So I just got this pinky over here, pinky bar. Never mind, that's it for this lesson. So if this helps you out, make sure to drop me one of these. Again, subscribe, because I just want to reach 2K subs as fast as possible. And yeah, I got something planned for it, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.